how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 12, that is Tom Sawyer paints the fence. That is part 2. So let's begin with this lesson here. You will relate the previous story in this chapter and you will read and comprehend. So what do you do when your parents or teacher ask you to do? आप क्या करते हो जब आपके parents और teacher आपसे करने को बोलते हैं? Some work for them, ignore them, आप उन्हें ignore कर देते हो, फिर से work करते हो, begin the work right away, या फिर ask your friends to do this, या फिर friends को बोलते हो, begin the work right away, उसी टाइम work start कर देते हो ना? So here the story part 2. This made Ben stop and think, क्या हुआ? इससे Ben stop हो गया और सोचने लगा. Tom continued painting the fence. Tom continue करता रहा paint करना fence को. Then stepped back to look at it. और फिर एकदम step back करा look देखने के लिए उसको before painting some more. आप लोग paint करने के बाद step back करा. Tom, can I paint the fence? Ben asked. Tom ने बोला. Tom से क्या मैं fence पे paint कर सकता हूँ? Tom thought about it for a minute. Tom ने सोचा एक मिनट के लिए. It looked like he was going to say yes. ऐसा लगा कि तो yes बोलने वाला है. Then he said, well, I don't think so. मुझे नहीं लगता Ben. This is Mrs. Smith's fence and she said I was the only one who could paint it. Yes, Mrs. Smith जो fence है और मुझे लगता है उन्होंने बोला है मुझे लगता है कि खाली मैं ही जो मैं इसे पेंट कर सकता हूँ. Not just anyone can paint a fence. कोई और पेंट नहीं कर सकता fence को. Come on, let me try, Tom. Just a little bit. I will do a good job. मैं एक अच्छी job करूँगा. If I was painting a fence, I'll let you do it. अगर मैं fence paint करूँगा, मैं तुम्हें करने दूँगा. Tom looked like he was about to cry. Tom को लगा कि कुछ बोलने वाला है. Jenny asked Mrs. Smith. Jenny ने Mrs. Smith से पूछा, if she could paint the fence, क्या वो paint कर दे fence को? And Mrs. Smith said no. Mrs. Smith ने no बोला. Andrew asked too, and Mrs. Smith said no to him. Andrew ने भी बोला. Mrs. Smith ने उससे भी no बोल दिया. What if you made a mistake? I'd get a big trouble. अगर क्या होगा जब तुमने mistake कर दी, मैं आपको मुश्किल में पड़ जाऊंगी. I will be careful, Tom. I promise. Tom से बोला उन्होंने, मैं careful रहूंगा और promise कर दो. Here I will give you half of my candy bar. मैं यहाँ पे अपना आधा candy bar भी दूंगा. Ben said, and he took a candy bar out of his pocket. और उसने अपनी pocket से candy bar भी निकाल दिया. I looked like Tom was going to say yes. Okay, Ben, no, wait, I can't. अब मेरे को लगा कि Tom कैसे कहने वाला है, okay, wait, Ben, no, wait, I can't, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. I will give you all my candy bars, Ben shouted. Ben ने चिल्ला के बोला, मैं अपनी सारी candy bars दे दूंगा तुम्हें. Take it, please. Tom pretended to be sad. तो Tom ने थोड़ा sad होने का pretend करा, दिखावा करा कि but वो खुश था. He was happy. While Ben painted, जब Ben ने paint करा, Tom ate his candy bar. Tom ने अपनी candy bar खाई and looked for more kids. और kids की तरफ देखने लगा. There were lots of kids in the neighborhood. और भी kids थे neighborhood में. They came to laugh at the work. वो work पे आए. But they stayed to paint the fence. वो रुक गए paint करने के लिए fence को. In a few hours, Tom had an apple. उसी क्लास में Tom पे एक apple था. A broken watch, a small radio. एक broken watch भी थी, एक small radio भी था, एक baseball bat भी था, and एक old soccer ball भी थी. But the end of the afternoon, the children had painted the whole fence. Children ने सारी fence paint कर दी थी. Tom learned something important that day. Tom ने उस दिन बहुत एक important चीज सीखी. क्या थी वो? Learn that if you want to make someone want something, और आप चाहते हो कि किसी को आप ऐसा कर दो कि तुम्हें ये चीज चाहिए, you only have to make it difficult to get it. आपको बस उसे करना होता है पाने के लिए. What you have to do is work and what you want to do is fun. और आपको क्या करना है? काम करना है और क्या करना है? Fun करना है. So this is its stories taken from an expert from Adventures of Tom Sawyer's by Mark Twain. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you have understood the part 1 and part 2 carefully. See you in the next